Fair warning, this video is for traders or people who want to learn how to trade profitably. No jokes or funny business this time, sorry. Instead, I sat down for a chat with one of the Money and Mirth trading coaches and mentors, legendary Daryl, also known as the 1 Hour Nasdaq Trader. Today's chat, we take a look at Daryl's recent short trade on Nasdaq, which netted him a quick $600 profit by following his own trading strategy. By watching this video, you'll gain some insights into how Daryl uses market structure to find and execute profitable trades, as well as some other nuggets of wisdom thrown in for good measure. So if you want a glimpse into the mind of someone walking that narrow path that is profitable trading, you're in the right place. You can find an invitation to learn more about how you can become a 1 Hour Nasdaq trader entirely for free down in the description. Otherwise, let's get to it. Hey Daryl, how you doing? Thanks for joining me again for another trade breakdown. What have you been up to this time? Let us know.
Yeah, hello Matt, and thank you for inviting me again here. And recently I just trading Nasdaq that I've shared to our community last time.
Cool. Okay, so once again, same as before, this is just the same strategy that we've been talking about in the previous talk that we had together.
Yeah, exactly. There's no changes at all. I've been using one strategy that it is a setup for life.
Okay, yeah. Or at least until it stops working at some point.
Yeah, exactly.
All right. So yeah, you said you're trading Nasdaq. Usually, I think not usually, but is Nasdaq the usual thing for you, or are you also trading crypto or forex? What was it Nasdaq this time?
So at the moment, I am funded with a platform company, but it's more focused. The instrument is more on indices. So there's S&P 500 and also Nasdaq. So I am more on focus trading Nasdaq. But of course, I also trade using crypto and also forex. But as of now, I am more focused on Nasdaq. Yeah.
Which do you prefer? If you had the choice, if you could trade any of them on your different funded accounts, would you still choose indices?
Yes, exactly, indices. Because the strategy works exactly crypto, forex, indices, stock, anything that has enough liquidity. But for me, I am more focused on indices at the moment.
Okay, awesome. So maybe you can share your screen. Hopefully I got the settings and let you share your screen and we can take a look at the Nasdaq trades that you made then.
Yeah, sure. No.
Yeah, give us an idea of why you took them or what's going on. See what we can learn from this.
Can you see now the screen?
I got it there. Yeah, let me move things around. Okay, cool. So what are we looking at here?
This trade, I shared this one. I guess it's June 13th. So this is the winning trade that I've shared in the past few weeks. So yeah, this one, by the way, the profit here is $600. Just taking this short here until this one. Okay, so I'm going to this one. So how did this trade, or how did I plan this trade? So as you can see here, let's go to the H4. Okay, so H4. So I am trading, looking on the higher time frame. So as you can see, H4 have a fair value gap here, right? There is a fair value gap here, and price just come up, but still didn't came back to this fair value gap. But it's really obvious that we have this one. You can see we have a equal low here, right?
Yeah.
So that means there is a liquidity inside here, and in the mentorship that we have, we call this one as a internal range liquidity. That is IRL. Yeah. So that's why I take short on the New York session on that area. So let's go back here in the 1 minute. From H4, we see that there is a equal lows that we have. Then what I did right here is that from this dealing range, from this low here, this low to this high, I use a Feb tool. This one, from premium to discount, from this low to this high, and determine where will be the discount price and the premium. Of course, we want to short at the premium price. So what I did here, this one is the discounted price, this area here. This is the discount. So this will be our area for take profit, or our target. So let's go back to 1 minute because I trade 1 minute on this chart. So yeah, this one. I need to replay again. Okay, this one. All right. So here, so you can see, I am trading inside in the kill zone. So that means kill zone in the New York session, this one. As you can see, price just take out this high here. And then after that, I saw that the price just break here. Price just broke here, this body candle here, broke this one. Then again, it consolidate. So that means we still are looking for a sell area, and the sell area is this one. Price just created an imbalance, and to rebalance it, it needs to be filled again here, and we call this one as an inversion fair value gap. So in our mentorship, in the course that we have, I talk that we can short to the area where price create a intermediate high, because this is the long-term high. That means this is the second one that if we take a short, this will be our invalidity, this area. So that's why I wait another confirmation. So what is that? The market structure. So what is the market structure? I mean, this one, as you can see, it broke again and it pulled back. So where the price pulled back, we have a breaker block, plus we have a fair value gap here. This one.
Yep.
You can see. So breaker block and this one, a fair value gap. A fair value gap. So that means we have a lot of confluences here. And also this one, that the price here takes out the buy side liquidity. And again, why I am so sure that I'm going to take a short position here, because of the equal low here, this one. So it needs to price needs to take this low and also came back to this discounted price, as what we mentioned in the H4 fair value gap, or the IRL in the H4. That's why I take short here. You can see from this short, this stop loss here above this intermediate high. My take profit is this area only. So that is already 2.2 2R. That's the profit here that I've shared. This is already a $600 profit.
Great. Yeah, I mean, very straightforward. It's always easy in hindsight, but actually, even if we couldn't see how that had played out, as you said, there's a lot of confluence there on the chart, and it just requires waiting, as usual, waiting for it to really happen. The 4-hour chart, as you said, kind of gave you the direction, and the rest of it,
exactly.
Actually from there is quite obvious, because if you know you're looking for a short trade, it couldn't really have given you a more obvious setup, actually, which is quite nice. So thank you, market makers. Awesome.
Welcome. Yeah.
So that was your short trade. Just for anyone that's watching this, is there, we can see that the candles actually ended up going much further down than your target. Any reason that you wouldn't have wanted to target deeper down into that, what you called a discount zone?
Well, I guess I achieved more than what I have. My profit target per day, every trade that I have is only 200 to 300 only. But this trade is already times 2. So, it's really big amount on the funded account.
Got it. Okay. So
I need to be conservative also.
All right. Yeah, it's just about sticking to your rules and keeping it simple. Awesome. Exactly. So you were saying, I was going to ask you if you were trading this on your own account or one of the funded accounts, but you've already kind of made that clear. So
yeah, with funded,
the funded account, I'm assuming a lot of people won't have ever tried using a funded account. It's also actually not something I've personally jumped into. I know that you're obviously doing it and lots of other people in our community have tried it. But is there any real difference between using a live account, or like your own account, let's call it, and a funded account? What can people think of as a difference in terms of their day-to-day routine?
Well, when you are trading your live account, your own account, for me, I personally wanted to take using the platform account, because it's kind of, you gonna pay the challenges. So that means you're going to be strict to your rule. And when you make yourself a disciplined trader, you follow your rules, end of the month, you will be rewarded on that one. Unlike to the live account or your own account, okay, you can be a FOMO trader. You can be, but yeah, everyone is different. But that's the reason why I prefer trading funded account.
So for people that have never tried getting funded, I assume inside the community you'd be happy to try and help them if they want to give it a go. I know it's not something we're not partnered with any particular firms or anything like that, but if you've been through this yourself, would you be happy to show other people how to do the same thing, as well as teaching the strategy on top?
Yeah, of course. We committed to help people inside the community. So every Monday, I'm going to do a live streaming, and that will be a weekly outlook for the indices, the crypto, and also the Forex market. So that will be a live sessions on that one. So it's a kind of preparation for the week. And of course, they can also see me live trade for the rest of the week.
Nice. Okay. So yeah, anyone kind of curious, I guess the simplest thing to say then is to check the links down below and look for a way to get into the community. And what you're saying is for free, people can catch up with your Monday outlook.
Yes, exactly.
Learn a little bit. All right. And for people that want to learn the actual strategy and get your kind of daily live trading, you're trading Monday to Friday.
No, Monday will be weekly outlook only. So
okay.
Tuesday till Friday, that will be the trading day.
Execution. And all right.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right. Well, I guess we can wrap it up there then. Again, anyone that's interested, check the links down below and you can find your way into the community. Just give a wave and shout for either me or Daryl. Be careful of imposters who will DM you pretending to be us. Make sure you're speaking to us in the public community. We're going to
or mention us. Yeah.
Exactly. And we can pick it up from there. And yeah, I think we've got a launch promotion running for your current strategy and course, which comes with lifetime membership to your trading area. So again, anyone interested, get involved, feel free to come say hi and join us. So thanks again, Daryl, for your time. And
thank you so much, Matt.
Yeah, no worries. We'll catch up again and see what's going on in your world next time.
Yeah, sure. Thank you so much. Bye-bye, guys.
See you. Bye-bye. If you're interested in joining the community and getting involved in Daryl's live trading and training events, then check the links down below to get started. You can join the 1 Hour Nasdaq Trader program by checking the links down below. Enroll now and you can learn to do exactly what Daryl is doing entirely for free. If you want his direct support and access to his live trading sessions, then you'll need to become a paid member. I plan to chat with Daryl on a regular basis, so please let me know down in the comments if there's anything you'd like us to cover during our talks, or of course, jump into the community and join us live there instead. And by the way, if you want to learn a bit more about Daryl's story so far, check out how he kicked ass in a recent trading competition here. Until next time, stop grinding, start hacking.
Yes, the world is going mad. Sigma grind set, what the fuck is that? The middle class taking up their asses, the rich preying on their empty pockets. I'll own nothing and I'll be happy. Make it make sense to me. Where the sky